Hey, what's going on? It's Scott Peach from the Nano Tank. So I just went up and handpicked some fish at my distributor, and I decided I'd do an unboxing video. So we have two boxes. This one's probably the smaller. It's not a ton of stuff, but I figured I'd show you guys what I have. Oh. So we got one nice plakat betta still in his bag from being shipped over. Got some brass tetras. So that's a new one to the store. We haven't had brass tetras in. Pretty cool fish. I love the yellow iridescence, the black in it. We got couple pairs of Australian gudgeon gobies. They're all staying in the corner. Got a couple pairs of those. Everybody's favorite. We got some black worms. Whole pound of black worms. We started selling these and we actually sell a lot of them. So that's how small this little box was. But we have more. Here we have a pair of the blue Azizi pistos. Trying to get them out of the corner, but I like to stay in there. Some yo-yo loaches. It's another first for the store. We got some L144 blue eye lemon plecos. We usually have plecos in, but these are a first. Some mystery snails. A couple different colors of those. Some celestial pearl danios. So we had some before, previously they sold out. I really like them, so I brought some more in. Got a couple of scarlet baddises. So we got some more wild green neons.